Hi, I am Uday Karmakar. After 90 seconds from now, you will get a clear picture on why you should hire me. I have done 2 bachelor degrees. One, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Engineering from Daffodil International University, and another Bachelor of Business Studies from National University of Bangladesh. I have keen interest in Python programming language. By 2025, I would love to have my own software firm to offer innovation and best service. I have developed many projects. IoT-based school management system is one of them. It allows guardians to track their students' location through mobile phone, and it has applied at several schools. I have vast work experience in IT and dealt so many clients while working in some reputed organizations like Grameen Phone, Millennium System Solutions, and Apartment Properties Limited also. In 2019, I had an apprentice job training from Daffodil International University, where I have learned managerial responsibilities, leadership skills, event management skills, and Google applications. In university, I have completed many online courses such as Diploma in Graphic Design, HTML Fundamentals, and SQL Fundamentals. In addition, I have attended many career-related events, workshops, conferences, and trainings also. If you feel any interest, give me the challenge to prove my skills. Hope you will not regret. We'll be waiting for your valuable response. Thank you.